Giant pandas are native to central China. They have come to symbolize vulnerable species, and less than 2,000 giant pandas live in their native habitat, and another 600 pandas live in zoos and breeding centers around the world. The giant panda has lived in bamboo forests for several million years. It is a highly specialized animal with unique adaptations. Giant pandas have large molar teeth and strong jaw muscles for crushing tough bamboo. A panda needs to consume a comparatively large amount of food, from 70 to 100 pounds of bamboo each day, to get all its nutrients. To obtain this much food means that a panda must spend 10 to 16 hours a day foraging and eating. The rest of its time is spent mostly sleeping and resting. Pandas are solitary animals but will vocalize during social interactions. They sometimes chirp, honk, bleat, chomp, and bark. Recent research has also found that giant pandas may form communities of 7 to 15 individuals within the local population. Giant pandas reach breeding maturity between 4 and 8 years of age. They may be reproductive into their 20s. Female pandas ovulate only once a year, in the spring. A short period of 2 to 3 days around ovulation is the only time a giant panda is able to conceive. Calls and scents draw males and females to each other. Female giant pandas give birth from 90 to 180 days after mating. Although females may give birth to 2 young, usually only one survives. Giant panda cubs may stay with their mothers for up to 3 years before striking out on their own. This means that a wild female, at best, can produce young only every other year. In a lifetime, a giant panda may successfully raise only 5 to 8 cubs. A panda's lifespan is about 15 to 20 years for wild pandas and about 30 years for those in human care. Chinese scientists have reported zoo pandas as old as 35. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.